Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your location on YouTube app. So let's start. First, open the YouTube app. Now go to Explore section from the bottom of the screen. Now let's see the trending list. And you'll see that the trending list shows the videos from my geolocation. Now let's go back, tap on your profile picture on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on General. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see Location. Now tap on that. Now select a location. I'll just randomly select one. Now go back and you'll see that your trending list has been refreshed and it shows according to your new geolocation. And that's how you change location on your YouTube app. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.